But we do begin with the latest information for the thousands of people who woke up this morning without any power. So let's take a look. Coming in new at noon, we begin with Avista, where more than 7,400 customers are still reportedly without power right here during the noon hour. More than 5,500 of those outages are being reported just north of Colville. Kootenai Electric is reporting major progress throughout the afternoon, as only 283 of their customers are certainly right now without power again at the noon hour, so that's improving. And right now Inland Power is also wrapping things up, reporting only 28 customers still without power, and that's throughout the region. However, as things continue to change, we'll continue to give you the latest information on all the outages and the results of the windstorm right here on KREM 2 News, KREM.com, and of course always on the KREM 2 mobile app. Well, as crews continue to work on restoring power and cleaning up from the damage from the windstorm, our Nicole Hernandez joins us from Comstock Park with some of the latest details on those early cleanup plans.
Yeah, so as the day has gone on, of course, that wind has died down. Right now we're here in Comstock Park, where you can see there are some crews here. There have been crews around the city throughout the morning, just helping get the little bits of debris up and cleaned up, of course, from yesterday evening's windstorm. We did not see nearly as much damage yesterday or this morning as we did from the windstorm we saw in January, but of course still some stuff to look out for. The biggest thing you're going to want to look out for if you are on the roads at all today is mainly just debris. We've got some sticks and extra roots and stuff that are kind of flying around because of the wind here, so just be extra careful of that if you're on the roads. But like we've been mentioning this morning, as the day goes on, we will see those winds start to die down even more. In Spokane, I'm Nicole Hernandez.